Hey everyone, it's your girl Layla. Welcome back to my channel.
No matter what they try, I'll stay by your side. It's you and
Okay guys, so in today's video I have a jewelry unboxing. It's been quite a while since I've done one of these on my channel, but you guys seem to really love these types of videos and I really like filming them. I love working with brands that are conscious about where they get their jewels. They feature environmentally friendly packaging, for example. I just like working with sustainable companies, and Ideaure is one of those companies. So I'm going to be unboxing 3 items from Ideaure in today's video, and I will leave these all linked in the description box below, as well as a coupon code. If I have one, I will leave that down below as well. So if you guys are not already subscribed, please go ahead, click that subscribe button below. I upload 3 times a week, Sunday, Wednesday, and Friday. Now let's get into this unboxing because I am so excited to unbox these for you guys. So I did pick out 3 items from Ideaure's site. I picked out the Aria spinner ring, as well as the Imelda tennis bracelet, and the Aurora gemstone ring. This is what the packaging looks like right here for the pieces. So they definitely are giving very much, you know, giftable vibes. Like I would love to receive one of these as a birthday gift, for example. Like I feel like packaging matters so much when it comes to gifting and when it comes to just treating yourself in general. I love it when things come in cute packaging, and I do love their little logo on there with the birds. How adorable is that? So if you guys are wondering, this packaging is recyclable, and it also does come with a cleaning cloth on the inside for all of your jewelry. So let's start with the first piece here. Look at the inside. That is so cute. I love this. I love the little pouch it comes in. It's so travel friendly. I feel like I could see myself definitely traveling with pieces like this. I do love it when jewelry comes in packaging like this that I can travel with. I've mentioned it before because I usually just end up, you know, with any jewelry that I take with me when I'm traveling, I usually just put it into like a random, you know, bag. I will find a bag that I got from something, like say if it's from a lash comb, for example, or just like random packaging, I'll just throw in my jewelry pieces in there. But this is way better. So it does come with that, and it comes with a cleaning cloth right there. And then let's get into the first piece. Ooh, okay, it's very secure too. It has a little snap closure right there. And this is the bracelet. This is the Imelda tennis bracelet. So it comes like this. This is really weighty. It's definitely giving good quality vibes with this. And look at how stunning this is. This is the tennis bracelet. I absolutely love this, and I'm not a huge fan of gold, but lately I've been kind of getting into it more. I will figure out how to put this on in a second because it kind of looks a bit confusing. So Ideaure's jewelry pieces are very environmentally conscious. They feature 100% recycled 925 sterling silver, as well as 14 karat gold plated pieces, and their crystals or diamonds, whatever you want to call them, on their jewelry is actually cubic zirconia, so it is very environmentally friendly. You're not sporting a diamond mine or anything like that. Their pieces are lab created. So this is the Imelda tennis bracelet on. How beautiful is this? It is a little big for me. I have really tiny wrists, but I honestly don't mind the look of it. I think it looks really beautiful. So let's move on to the next piece. Okay, here it is right here, same packaging. And we're just gonna slide this part open right here. Okay, next piece is here. Another thing I love about their pieces, by the way, is that they're hypoallergenic. So if you get earrings from them, if you get rings from them, they are hypoallergenic. They do not contain nickel, lead, or cadmium. So if you are a sensitive girly and you can't wear, you know, those fake earrings, because I know a lot of you can't wear the fake earrings, these are gonna be great for you. So I did get the Aria birthstone ring, and this is the next piece right here. It is almost like a fidget ring, I guess. So this is what it looks like right here. It is so pretty, and if you can guess by the way it looks right there, my birthstone is pink tourmaline or opal. I was born in October and I got this in my correct size. So it looks like this. Really, really beautiful. I highly recommend, if you're purchasing rings online, to get your finger measured beforehand. If you're shopping for rings online, definitely check your finger size before purchasing anything online, because I used to think I was like a size 7 or something like that, or a size 6, but I'm actually a 5.5, and I don't have to get everything resized now that I know my correct size. So this is the ring right here. How gorgeous is this? I don't have anything quite like this, and I do like the fact that it is a fidget ring and it spins. I don't know why, I just really, really like that. And the overall design of it, I think it looks really, really interesting. And I know that this is something that you will definitely get a lot of compliments on, especially if your birthstone is more, you know, brighter. If you're born in like May or something, you have that bright green or something like that. But yeah, that is the Aria birthstone spinner ring. Okay, and last but not least, we have one more right here. And let's go ahead and open that. And I love that they all come with the cloth. That is awesome. And the little carrying cases. Okay, let's open this one up. And it is another ring. This is called the Ideaure gemstone ring. And I was looking through their site, and this is one of the pieces that definitely stood out to me, and I really, really liked it. I actually had one of my coworkers help me pick out the jewelry on today's video, because she is very into jewelry herself and she loves like different cool unique pieces. And as I was browsing through the website, she honestly couldn't choose. She was like, everything looks really, really amazing, but she saw this too, and we both looked at it and we were both like, that is a really, really gorgeous ring. It is really pretty. I'm gonna put it on for you guys. So it's this ring right here. This is the Ideaure gemstone ring. I love the way it looks like it's layered. I love the layered look of that. I like that this is in silver. I know that most of the stuff I picked out in today's video is mostly gold. While they're all kind of mixed, I like mixing metals. You know, I'm not the type of person that just wears silver jewelry or just wears gold jewelry. I think we've evolved now and we're at the point where we can mix metals, and I honestly don't think it looks bad. So this one has a touch of gold to it, just right there, just like some gold accents, but for the most part this is a silver ring. I'm hoping that my camera focuses on this, but that is the ring right there. Again, it fits really well. It doesn't want to like come off my finger or anything like that. I love how I got everything in my correct size, and everything is true to size and fits really well. So I am absolutely in love with the pieces that I got from Ideaure. Thank you so much, Ideaure, for working with me on today's video. If you guys are interested in any of their products, like I mentioned, I will link everything in the description box below, as well as if I have a coupon code, I will put that down there as well. Definitely go ahead and check out these pieces. Also, Ideaure's site gives you free shipping, free returns, and there is a 2-year warranty on all of their products. And you get the pieces relatively quickly. It's a 3 to 5 day delivery, which is insane because I do live in Canada and things take forever to get to me. But I was actually pleasantly surprised at how fast I received these pieces. You guys are gonna be seeing these in so many of my videos, I promise you. If I'm wearing a ring, it's likely gonna be the Ideaure ring. I think that they are so, so, so pretty. So I will see you guys soon in a new video. If you guys are not already subscribed, please go ahead, click that subscribe button below. I upload 3 times a week, Sunday, Wednesday, and Friday, and I will see you guys soon with a new video. Bye!
I let you deeper than